In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read TradingView charts effectively. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, understanding charts is crucial for making informed decisions. Let's dive into the TradingView interface and get you comfortable with the basics first. To start, orient yourself on the TradingView interface. You'll notice the top toolbar, which is your gateway to changing instruments, selecting timeframes, and choosing your preferred chart types. It's all just a click away, designed to streamline your workflow. You can switch between timeframes like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even daily to suit your analysis needs. The left panel is where you'll find a variety of drawing and annotation tools. Trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, text, arrows, and shapes are all here. These tools are essential for marking up your charts as you analyze market movements. Next, it's important to choose the right chart type and time frame. Candlestick charts, offering details like open, high, low, and close, provide the most granular view of price movements. Alternatively, bar and line charts are available if you prefer a simpler format. Set your time frame in alignment with your trading style. For intraday trading, a 1-minute to 15-minute chart might be best. If you're more of a swing trader, hourly to 4-hour timeframes are ideal. For long-term strategies, consider daily or weekly charts. Now let's enhance your analysis by adding indicators. Indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands are foundational tools that give insights into trends and momentum. Use the Indicators menu found on the top toolbar to easily insert them onto your chart. Once you've set everything up the way you like it, you can save your configuration as a template. This makes it simple to reuse your setup without starting from scratch every time. Making good use of drawing tools can significantly enhance your chart reading skills. From the left panel, you have access to tools like trend lines, channels, Fibonacci tools, and various shapes. These allow you to annotate and visualize market trends clearly. Change their style, color, and thickness to suit your visual preference. And, if you find a style you really like, create a drawing template to ensure consistent presentations across different charts. Reading price action and structure is crucial. Identify trends by marking higher highs and lows for uptrends or lower highs and lows for downtrends. These markers can give you a quick snapshot of where the market might be headed. Look out for support and resistance zones, as well as key price patterns like double tops or head and shoulders. Another key aspect is analyzing volume. Volume is your friend when it comes to understanding the conviction behind price moves. If you see rising volume accompanying rising prices, it's a cue that the trend is strong. Conversely, low volume might indicate a potential pause or reversal. Lastly, take advantage of layout management and snapshot tools. You can save your chart layouts, whether they involve multiple charts, indicators, or drawings, using the Save function on the top toolbar. If you need to share or export your analyses, use the Snapshot tool. You'll find it, marked by a camera icon, providing an easy way to share your insights. You can also set up alerts and paper trade on TradingView. By clicking the plus sign on the price axis, you can configure alerts for specific price levels. This feature is especially handy for keeping an eye on critical market movements without constantly monitoring manually. With the paper trading feature, simulate trades and test your strategies in real time without risk. That should give you a solid foundation on how to navigate and utilize TradingView charts for your trading needs. Dive in, experiment, and refine your approach to better understand the markets.